Hi, my name is Lauren Hobbs, and I'm from Oxford, Alabama. But my husband and my daughter and I are currently living in Preston, Idaho. And this is my next to last semester. And so that's part of the reason I'm taking this class. It is one of my last comm classes that I have to take to complete my degree. I'm really excited about learning about conflict. I had a class last semester where we kind of touched briefly on it, and I think that conflict is something that we see in our everyday life, whether we like it or not. And I think conflict can actually be used for good. And so I'm really interested in learning about how I can combat conflict better in my life. I think that interacts well with the course outcomes that are listed in the course. And I'm excited to get to know each of you and to work together on this course. Thank you.